Hi friends, in this video we are going to talk about factors of production, and in this video we are going to understand factors of production in an extended manner, means from multiple angles. So friends, when we talk about factors of production, it basically means the inputs that are going on in the production process. So what happens, suppose output of one good is produced, suppose output of books is produced, a book is being manufactured, and there has to be 100 copies of books which have to be manufactured. So what happens, what are the inputs that would go inside? So basically paper would go inside, ink would go inside, right? These are the things that would go inside making a book. But however friends, when I say these are my raw materials. Raw materials are also a kind of input. Apart from this friends, what would happen? My labor would be used. How would labor be used? Because there has to be people to convert that input into output. Then we have capital. What is this capital friends? Capital these days is defined in a very broad way. So by capital you can simply understand physical capital. Physical capital means machines that are used for production, means for even for producing many biscuit packs there are machines in a factory. So capital is one good. So then there are, what are other inputs? There is entrepreneurship, means for example, to manage everything there has to be a owner who takes all the decisions, so he has certain skills. So it is also a factor of production that is used. So friends, apart from all these, labor, capital, entrepreneurship, raw materials, these days there are more factors of production. When we say inputs, we also say that in this physical capital there is another kind of capital, that is human capital. So what do you mean by human capital? So friends, suppose there is a production of a good which involves very high quality education, means you require certain skills. So it's not just that labor is hired and all the production would take place. Labor quality would matter. So this skill is known as human capital. When we consider quality of labor, or when we consider labor's competitiveness, it is not included in labor but it is included as a capital, that is human capital. Then you have other kinds of capital as well. There can be social capital. So what is the social capital? By social capital we mean the relationships we form during work. So these relationships are an important ingredient of producing inputs. So suppose if you have harmonious relationships with your colleagues, then it will affect the productivity of the firm as a whole. So this social capital has become a very important factor of production in today's era. Why? Because firms are optimizing on this input and trying to produce greater output with the use of its social connections. So it is one of the inputs. Then friends, even a very unconventional type of input is stock of ideas in an economy. Now what is that? So suppose you are producing a book, so you are writing a book. So what happens, you're writing the book is based on the ideas in an economy. So suppose if you are writing an economics book and there has been various discoveries in economics, you can use those discoveries to have more discoveries. So that means my stock of ideas is an input as well. Then you can say my infrastructure in the economy is an input as well. So basically you use transport, you use electricity to produce goods, so it is an input as well. So the dimension of inputs is being widened in today's era, and we have started to include all this. So let's summarize all the inputs. It can be labor, it can be capital, and capital can be of various kinds: human capital, physical capital, social capital. Then we have raw materials that are used in the production process. Then we have entrepreneurship. Then we have some stock of ideas that are prevalent in an economy. Then we also have public infrastructure that is in an economy. So friends, this was about factors of production. If you like the video, do hit the like button and do let me know in the comment section. Thank you friends.